kindergarten. I have Brenna here today. She's going to help us out with our math lesson. And I don't know if you can see super well, but she is standing around the outside of our large outdoor clock. And this is something that you can do at home too. It's really simple. If you want to practice, it's just sidewalk chalk. We used a baseball tee and a jump rope for the hands of our analog clock, but you can kind of use whatever you have on hand. Ba-dum-bum. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And Brenna, can you start walking around the clock for us? Awesome. So boys and girls, right now, Brenna is walking in this direction because this is the way that the hands of the clock show time moving forward. Every hour that she walks past shows time getting later. Now, Brenna, can you turn around and walk the other way for us? So now she is walking counterclockwise. This shows what times come earlier than others. So, Brenna, we're going to play a little game with you. Are you ready? Do you think she's got it, guys? When I say later, you're going to walk clockwise. When I say earlier, you're going to walk counterclockwise. Are we ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's try it. Later. Good job. Earlier. Later. Earlier. Brenna, earlier. Oh, Bryce wants to play too. Turn the other way. Because we're going earlier. Good job. All right. Thank you for showing us earlier and later around the clock. And why don't you, kindergartners, share with someone something you did earlier today and something you were planning on doing later today. Now, Brenna, can you set the hands of our clock to show 7 o'clock? She's going to leave the minute hand on the 12, and she's moving the hour hand to the number 7. Thank you, Brenna. So our clock is now set at 7 o'clock. And Bryce, can you come stand right by the number 7 for us? He's going to stand next to the 7. Good job. Now, when we walked around the clock and we want it to be 1 hour later, Brenna, can you move the hour hand 1 hour later? So 1 hour later than 7. No, that's earlier. 1 hour later is 8 o'clock. Good job. And I can show you that on our Judy clock as well, boys and girls. So here we have 7 o'clock. And if we want to go 1 hour later, we move clockwise. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. And here we are now at 8 o'clock. Excellent. So thank you, Brenna and Bryce, for helping demonstrate that for us on our large clock. And if you kindergartners have a clock at home, you could practice showing 1 hour later. Now, Brenna, can you set our large clock to 3 o'clock, please? She has the minute hand on the 12, and she's going to place the hour hand on the 3. That's okay. So we have 3 o'clock. Now, Brenna, if you want to show us 1 hour earlier, 1 hour earlier, can you move the hour hand 1 hour earlier? Nope, Bryce, that's 1 hour later. Good try.
On 2.
So Brenna's right. We're going to move it to the 2. 1 hour earlier is 2 o'clock. Excellent. And now I will show you that on our Judy clock. So we were at 3 o'clock, boys and girls, which is the hour time shown here. And if we want to move it to 1 hour earlier, we would go counterclock back in time. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock to 2 o'clock. Excellent. Great work. So today's math lesson, boys and girls, is going to be focusing on what counting on and counting back, this time using time. And on your page, you are going to be asked to 1 hour earlier and 1 hour later.